aesthetics industry can be so overwhelming and confusing. So many treatments, experts, and so many new procedures. Well, I'm here with Martina, who's going to help us answer some of the questions you've been asking through the website and through social media. So my first question to you is from Kelly from Sunderland, and she's emailed to ask, is there a treatment to get rid of the sunspots on my face from where I've sunbathed too much in my youth? I mean, I think we're all guilty of that.
Yeah, myself as well.
Yeah, so I mean, is there a solution to that?
Of course there is. We've got the newest laser, which is Pico, and from Cynosure, and Pico shatters the pigment within the skin and removes also tattoos. So you can imagine that removes tattoos, so you will remove the pigment in the skin. So obviously you will need a few sessions, but it will do the job.
Do some patients have worse skin than others?
Of course, yes, it happens. It happens more with the age as well. You can sunbathe today, but in about 5-10 years, you will see the pigmentation. So you have to start acting now.
How many treatments would you need?
Depending on the severity, I would say you would do the first 3 and then we'll judge. Because you might need between 4 to 6, but we judge after the 3 sessions if we need to do more.
I have a tweet from Mel in Tunbridge Wells, and she said, no cellulite cream I've ever used has worked. Do you have a treatment that can help with that?
Of course we do. We've got the 3D lipo, which is the most up-to-date machine, and that will treat cellulite like nothing else will, because the 6 pixel is a technology that will tighten the skin. It will melt the superficial fat as well, and we finish off with the 3D dermology, will basically move all the toxins to the lymph, and you end up with very smooth skin. So obviously, again, you would need up to 6 sessions to achieve the results, but 6 pixel will heat up the skin to up to 40 degrees, where the new collagen and elastin will kick in, and that will give you obviously a new tight skin, and obviously also removes the superficial fat, which we don't want with cellulite.
You know, obviously creams they can be relatively cost effective. How expensive is the treatment?
The cellulite treatment we do for £109 per session. We've got great packages as well, so obviously that is decided upon the consultation as well, and then we tailor the treatment suiting for the client as well. But we've got great packages, so.
Great, okay, sounds fantastic. I had a question from Pete and Chawton on Facebook, and he said, I don't want to remove my arm tattoo, but I'd like to have it changed and altered. Is this possible?
Of course it is. If you don't want to have your tattoo removed completely, you only need 1 session with the Pico from Cynosure again. It will lighten your tattoo, and then it's obviously easier for you to cover it if you wanted to have it redone again.
Is it quite popular today? I mean, we see a lot of people out in the street that have got tattoos. Is it quite popular that people are having tattoos removed?
It is, because you get clients that regret having tattoos done many, many years ago. So they come in today and have it fixed. And obviously they have either 1 or 2 sessions to lighten it up and then cover it. So it's obviously not visible, or they just have it removed completely. And with Pico, sometimes you only need 4 sessions to have it completely removed.
And what are the common regrets?
Aging through the sun, UV radiation. I think that's the most common as well, because now ladies are more cautious about, sunbathing, and many of the ladies don't want to do that anymore. So obviously it's all about sun protection and avoiding the UV radiation.
Now, I have seen men obviously come in for tattoo removal. They've obviously had their ex-girlfriend's name written on there. Is that something that you see in the
We've
in the
had few. We've had few regrets like that as well.
Great, okay. Well, if you like any of the treatments that you've seen on the show, if you want to answer any questions, go onto the website and send in your questions, also through social media. But most importantly, if you want to book in for a consultation, go onto the Pro Skin Clinic website and give the clinic a call and start your Pro Skin experience.